In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an auto reply in Zoho Desk. Setting up auto replies can greatly enhance your customer service experience by ensuring that your clients receive immediate confirmations that their issues have been acknowledged. We'll walk through the steps to configure this setting so that your clients are instantly informed when a support ticket is created, helping manage their expectations and improve communication. To begin, you'll want to log into your Zoho Desk account. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top panel and locate the Setup icon. This is your gateway to all configuration options. Click on Setup, and you'll find a list of customization options at your disposal. What we're focusing on today is the notification setting, an essential feature for automating communication. So, proceed to click on Customization within the Setup menu. Once you're in Customization, go ahead and click on Notification. This will bring you to a view where you can manage all types of notifications, including those crucial auto-reply emails. You're interested specifically in contact notifications, so make sure you select that option. This is where you will tailor automated communications to your clients. In the Contact Notifications section, you'll see various notification rules you can configure. These rules determine when and how your notifications are sent. It's here that you'll set or select your preferred setup for automatic replies. Take your time to consider the frequency and conditions under which you'd like these notifications to be dispatched. Selecting the right template is key because this will be the initial communication your clients see when they create a ticket. You should have a customized email template ready that includes all the necessary details and reassurances. Make sure this template is clear, polite, and informative. Clients appreciate knowing their concerns have been received and that help is on the way. Once you have your email template finalized and your notification rules set, it's essential to run a quick test. You can do this by creating a dummy ticket to see how the auto-reply functions. Check how the email appears to ensure clarity and professionalism in how it presents. This test will give you peace of mind that everything is functioning as expected. In summary, setting up auto-replies in Zoho Desk involves navigating through the Setup menu, accessing the notification settings, configuring the contact notifications, and setting your desired rules and templates. By following these steps, you'll ensure a streamlined and efficient customer communication process. If everything looks good after your test, you'll have successfully automated an important part of your customer service operation. Thank you for watching, and good luck streamlining your customer support with auto replies in Zoho Desk.